at the church.
0 feet altitude, 5 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 100% battery.
A little bit breezy. Very hard to see the screen. So I'll get my focus. And do the mission. It ain't gonna run around Amazon. Like, what else is new, right? I'm running the mission that I made. The sun is just hot out. The sun is out. Where I can fly over them while they're working without really bothering anybody, distracting them. And this is the first time I've actually done it when
199 feet altitude,
they should still be there working.
13 miles per hour.
So we'll see.
96% battery.
It's going kind of slow. There's a little bit of a breeze coming from that direction. There are lots of voices coming from Dunkin' Donuts across the street.
$299 feet altitude, 1,312 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 91% battery.
It's hot in the sun. I guess a little jump in there. The camera jumps a little, but not as bad as it was. Yeah, we got some storms that are going to be coming in a little later, so that's probably why I got a wind breeze here. But I'm never at a point where I can't get it back. So I may not finish the mission, but as long as I get like one look around, we're cool.
299 feet altitude, 2,624 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 87% battery.
The sun is brutal. Looking, sun is making an obstacle again and stopping the damn thing. That's why I do not like to fly in bright sunshine. Number one, you can't see your screen. Number two, it interferes with the drone. Everything, I don't like it.
Feet altitude, 3,867 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 81% battery.
I had an app on my phone I use called UAV Forecast. What it's supposed to do, well, what it does, is before you take off, you check it. And I'll let you know if it's a good time to fly or not, depending on the weather, winds, all that. And if it's cloudy or overcast, it'll say not good to fly, which is like the opposite of what I like to do. I'd rather fly when it's cloudy. Right now I'm holding my screen in the car because I really can't see it.
4,959 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 77% battery.
Picking up speed a little now. Really hard to tell what I'm looking at.
.300 feet altitude.
Can't tell what the contrast is.
81 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 72% battery.
Got good speed now. I can't tell. I haven't seen anybody down there working, but that doesn't mean shit because I can't tell from the screen detail. Everything looks small. Big difference when you look at it on a 4K monitor.
3,355 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 67% battery.
I think mine's like 28-inch 4K, real 4K. What a difference. You can see, you can almost see license plates on cars. You can read all the signs on the highways. It's like sharp as an eagle eye. They said from this distance, if I'm down to 30% battery, I'll bring it back manually. Because the wind is in the opposite direction I'm going. Or I'm flying into the wind here. So on the way back I'll have a tailwind. And I can smell the donuts over at Dunkin' Donuts.
299 feet altitude. 4,266 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 63% battery.
You look that white thing up down there online. That is a generator. I saw the brand name on it. There were guys here working yesterday when I flew over. Now it's kind of late. Later, right now it's what, 5:30, 5:45. It was about 7:30 when I came by and they were still down there working.
Feet altitude. 4,317 feet distance. 19 miles per hour. 58% battery.
Now it's going to do one more half orbit. Then come back. That's a lot of footings. Now it's flying into the wind again.
299 feet altitude, 3,787 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 53% battery.
Like right now, I would not want to be caught in the wind the way I was the other day when I came out here. I just took off and the wind must have been blowing 30, 40 miles an hour. And it was calm when I left my house. It just, the front just came right in. And as soon as I put the drone up, it got windy and it was pushing it back behind me. And I doing all I could to keep it from drifting away. Put it in sport mode and just gunned it to get it back. And if I was like where here I am now and I had to fly into that wind to get back, I'd have to park it. I would never get it back. I just have to land it and then go pick it up.
Feet altitude, 4,784 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 47% battery.
It's not a problem today. I just hope my contrast and whatnot, the light balance is good. I can't tell. Now it's going to come over the highway, over Hawk Attack Alley.
(299 feet altitude, 5,359 feet distance, 24 miles per hour, 41% battery.
Check out the sky, see what's approaching. It got some storms on the way in.
100 feet altitude, 3,961 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 37% battery.
There's a thunderstorm right there. Alrighty then. Good numbers. Good flight. So far. Shouldn't say that until I'm on the ground.
300 feet altitude, 2,581 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 33% battery.
Didn't notice much camera wobbling around, which is a good thing for me.
Mission ended.
I'll take over. Kill a little battery. Yeah, that's where a lot of the noise comes from, I hear. That side of the Dunkin' Donuts.
299 feet altitude, 859 feet distance, 34 miles per hour, 26% battery.
Boy, that thing is
Warning,
cooking.
aircraft battery at 25%.
Flying right over my head here. I'll bring it back. Let auto land.
Warning, aircraft battery at 22%.
Not going to bother with any stills today because there's not too much happening over there.
$289 feet altitude, 3 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 20% battery.
Coming down at a good place.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
I don't know if I'm going to do another flight. I don't really have anywhere to go.
Warning, aircraft battery at 17%.
All right. Back on Mother Earth. Trying to decide if I'm going to do another flight. Maybe I'll go over to Curtis. We'll see. Keep up out.